Hi there! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new employee, adjust their permission settings, change their login details, and activate their PIN. So I'm logged into my admin account with my location ID and password, and from the left-hand menu, I'm going to go to Manage, Employees, and List. Now here is a list of all of the existing employees that I have in my business, and I can add a new one by choosing this blue Add Employee button at the top. In this first tab here, I can enter my employee's personal details. So together, let's create a new employee called Heidi. Let's enter in her first name, Heidi, and her last name can be Hudson. Her email will be heidi@avatu.com, and her phone number can be 0123 456 789. Now let's set her password to Heidi with a capital H. And this will be her password to log into Avatu. So let's leave the remainder of the details out for now and click Save. Now the next tab over is called Notifications. Here is a list of available notifications that Heidi can receive. So what you see on this screen are the default settings. You can adjust these as you please by checking or unchecking these little boxes to specify if you would like her to receive any of the listed notifications via the apps, via email, or via push notifications. When you're finished, remember to click Save. Next is the Permissions tab. So in this tab, you are able to nominate which parts of the Avatu system Heidi has access to. Default permissions are what you see here, but you're able to expand or restrict access as you see fit. Again, remember to click Save when you're done. Next is the Services tab. So this tab lists all the services that are available in your account. Here you can select which services Heidi can and cannot perform. And these service durations here are based on the service settings. So any changes that you make here will override the service duration just for this particular employee. Again, remember to click Save when you're finished. The Calendar Feeds tab allows you to generate a feed containing Heidi's appointments, which can then be imported into Mac, Windows, or mobile calendar software. And in the last tab, Image, you can upload any relevant images, always remembering to click Save. Once you have finished setting up Heidi, you can close this screen, and you will see here that Heidi has appeared in the list of employees. Her employee ID is this number here, which is 36529. And her password is the password which we just created, which was Heidi with a capital H, but it can be changed here using this Reset Password button, which looks like a padlock. You can also edit her details using this pencil icon here, and you can move her up or down by using this toggle option over here and just dragging and dropping. You can also delete her using this X over here. There is also the option to set a PIN for Heidi using this keypad icon over here. Let's set her PIN number to 2222 and click Change. And let's take a look at how this works. So giving Heidi a PIN number will allow you to set a timeout duration which will lock Heidi's account after a set period of time and ask her to input her PIN number to unlock it. The PIN is different to the password. The password is a long-term login, while the PIN is able to be set as a short timeout to manage account security and to allow fast user switching. The PIN function needs to be activated first. So let's go to the left-hand menu and choose Manage and then Security, which is over here. And here you can activate the PIN function for mobile apps, and you can also activate it for the web app by checking this checkbox over here. You can also set the duration for how long the account needs to be inactive before it is locked. We'll set it to 15 seconds so that I can demonstrate. And 15 seconds is also the shortest available duration. So let's click Save, and we'll take a look at how Heidi's login works. I'm going to log out of my account up here by choosing Log Out. So let's go to Login and choose Employee Login. And here we can log in with Heidi's employee ID, which was 36529, and her password, which we just set up, which was Heidi with a capital H, and choose Sign In. Now this is what her account looks like as we've just set it up, and if we don't touch anything here, then shortly the system will kick us out. And there it goes, we've been logged out, and we can quickly log back in by using the PIN number which we created for Heidi, which was 2222, and clicking Unlock. And we're back in. Now, if I want to very quickly switch from Heidi's employee login to my location login, I just click up here and choose Switch User. And then I can enter my location PIN over here, choose Unlock, and then I'm back in my location admin account. And by the way, my location ID PIN can be reset by going to Manage, Settings, and then just choosing Change PIN up here. Let's go back to that employee permission screen that we saw earlier so that we can review it in a little more detail. Here you can set what your employee can and cannot do in the system. Changes that you make here take effect immediately and can be changed at any time. Allow App Access refers to which of our two apps the employee has access to. If you choose All, they have access to all apps. Web App refers to the website and mobile website. Mobile Apps refers to Android and iOS. And No App Access means they have access to nothing. So if you make a change here which revokes access, that employee will be denied access immediately to any current sessions that they are logged into. Let's move on to Allow Roster. If you've got this selected, that employee will be able to view and modify their own roster. Allow Reporting means that they can view their own reports. Allow Sales means they can create, view, and edit their own sales. Allow Team Roster. This means they can view and modify all other employees' rosters, including their own. Allow Team Scheduling. This means that they can create and modify appointments for all employees. If you choose Allow Team Reporting, that means that this employee can view all reports. Allow Team Sales means they can create, view, and edit all employees' sales. Allow Modify Schedule means that they can create and modify just their own appointments. Let's scroll down a bit. Allow Customer means that they can view the customer list, and then down here you can choose which customers show up in that list. So either all or only customers with previous reservations with this employee. The Allow Customer Detail section refers to what they can do to the customers that show up in their list. So either nothing, or they can view it, which is read only, or edit, which is read and write. Allow Waitlist means that they can view and modify the waitlist. Allow Purchase Orders means the employee can view and modify purchase orders. Allow Gift Cards means that they can view and modify gift cards. Allow Products, they can view and modify products. Allow Services, view and modify services. Allow Forms, same thing, they can view and modify the Forms section. Allow Marketing means that they can view and modify anything within the Marketing tab. And Allow History means that this employee can view object history for things like reservations, sales, etc. And that concludes this video tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you require any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us by using the details on our contact page of vartu.com/contact. See ya!